Good morning. It is Saturday and I am back. All right, you guys. We're definitely going to do something really cool today as far as cooking with Ms.O. But I want to show you some of the apartment right quick that I've decorated. What is my style? I don't know. I guess I would say modern chic, or if I see something and I like it, I just pick it up. All right, so here's this quick tour, and then I have to run to the store. Of course, I forgot any ingredients. But all right, you guys, let me show you what I've done. Okay, here is my living room. And I really can't explain. I like whatnots, okay? I'm just a whatnot person. And I got these little crystal things over 20 years ago from this company, which is now out of business. And I've got my little checkerboard game down here that's made out of glass. Of course, here's my TV. And here are my New York pictures that I love, that I got in Austin while I was in culinary school. And here is my dining room. Okay, I know the pictures are not that great. And I thought this was really cool that I set on the table. I just liked it. No reason. I just liked how it looked. And I have the gray chairs with the silver and gold pillows. And I'm not a drinker, so I tried to do just a little bar, you know, for guests. Here you only get a shot. So this is the miniature bottles of liquor. There are the short shot glasses. Okay, let's turn this away. And here's these cute little glass tables that I got from I'm not gonna say their name. You know, we're giving them a lot of props, and they're not paying anyone. But anyway, one of the famous stores, and I love these lamps. A little different, unique. I just liked them, so I got them. And here's my gray sofa with my 3 pillows that I kind of coordinated. And this one says, probably can't see it. It says, hello. And again, here's another New York picture that I got from Austin when I was in culinary school. And here is the other table, which you might can see a little better. And I love this silver and black globe, which I think is so cool. All right, so let's turn around. There is the living room area, and I found these, which I thought were so cool, and it speaks for me. Hope, faith, and blessed. That speaks for me. And here are my 2 huge glasses I got. It's for Kingdom Barbecue, like when I'm doing a catered event, I always put these on the table. Makes it really, really pretty. And I'm going to show you the kitchen, but I don't want to show you too much because you might get an idea of what we're doing. I want you to check out this island. And of course, here are black and silver bar stools. I have 2 of them. And here, you guys, is my ring light. And of course, I have a freezer right by the bar area. Only place I could put it, so. All right. Check this island out. Love it. It is so big. And here is my umbrella. Okay, let's turn this on. It's getting a little dark. You see my umbrella? Here are the pendants. And this is my, love all the cabinet space. Look at that. And here are the flowers I decorated on top. And here is one of the countertops, which is large. I love, I love, I love. Here is the stove. And here is the other countertop. That is so huge. Now this is all I'm going to show you, because if I show you anything else, I'm going to show you the ingredients. All right, now let me just show you my pantry. I know, bake a lot, cook a lot, cater a lot. I mean, it's stacked. I shouldn't show you this one, but I'm going to. I'm just going to show you how much stuff I really, really have. And this is just one of, and this is my washroom area, you guys. Look at this. It is stacked to the ceiling. These are my camp rolls when I get ready to do catering. I put the food in. I have pots and pans over here for catering. All of this here is catering. And of course the washer and dryer. And I also have 2 of the 6-inch tables on the side of the washer. Oh yeah, I can get it done now. I mean, I can compact some things. Here is my clock, which I love. Again, more catering stuff on top of the fridge. All right, I'm gonna tell on myself. I thought this was really cute. This is the entryway. I love black and white art. And this says keys. Well, I hang my keys. And, do I want to show you this? Yes, I do. Catering. All the way up to the ceiling. Catering, catering, catering stuff. All right. And here's a picture of me. I have to show you, which I love. That was drawn live when I was in New York City. I hope you can see it. You see? That was me. And it was drawn 7/25/08 when I was in New York City. So that's been a while ago. I'll show you the bathroom. My bedroom is not quite ready, so I won't show you that. Let me show you the bathroom, which I love a big bathroom. Here are my black curtains, which I love. Again, here is black and white art, which I love, I love. And these big old fluffy, fluffy, fluffy towels that I got from Kohl's. That is so tranquil. I love that. And here is big nice sink. And I have to have clocks everywhere. So you guys see it is 11:10 that I'm filming this. But anyway, I'm not going to show the patio yet because it's not done. But I have an awesome, awesome view. But we're going to really go to cooking in here. Look at that island. Let me just bring it a little closer. You see how long that is? Love that, love that, love that. All right. This is the mini tour. Oh, let me show you my grandbaby. That's when I was little bitty. There go Miss Ava. You see Miss Ava? Miss Ava Kelly. That's my grandbaby. Only grandbaby I got. All right, you guys. I have to get ready, run to the store. I guess this is going to have to be 2 videos because this one ran longer than I thought. But look at all this cabinet space. I am loving it. And I'll stop right here because I don't want you to see the rest of the ingredients. All right? So I'll see you guys on the next video. God bless you.